Welcome to a new video. I'm Charitha from 73Avenue. Today I'm going to show you 3 apartments in this boutique project. Let's explore. We're on the 9th floor, so I'm going to take you to each 3 units. Let's start the first one, the first unit. So we are in the 1000 square feet unit. This unit has 2 bedrooms, 1 washroom and spacious living room. You will identify here there is a lot of clearance between the ceiling height and the floor, which also gives you a lot of daylight and it makes you spacious, plus it's a lot of scenery. We're in the second unit in this boutique project. I mean, look at the environment, it's so peaceful, and I want to say this is a great investment location. So here we have 1200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, 1 master bedroom with the attached bathroom. We are the largest unit in this boutique complex. 1400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you have a maid's quarters as well. Mind you, this is a furnished unit. Check out the layout. These 3 brand new units located in Colombo 5 gives you easy access to leading schools, hospitals and office spaces. And it will definitely save you a lot of time. Make a viewing with me, a personalized viewing. I will take you to the tour of the 3 units. Please don't forget to subscribe 73 Avenue Realtors. See you on the next investment.